everybody, wherever you are. And how are you today? I hope you are a good day and away from bad things that happen in the world. So, today I'm going in the other side and gather something that I can make for decoration. So, let's go. Let's go po. Maaga po ngayon. Maaga po tayo. Kaya tayo, let's go. Yan, dito po tayo kukuha. Yung ganitong mga ganito. Ang kukuhanin ko dahil malambot po yan. Start natin dito. Isa. Alam nyo, to be honest, hindi ko alam kung pwede ako basta nang manggugupit. Pero, nakikita ko yung iba nagugupit. So yung nagunahin din. Hindi, ito naman po forest na. Timo, look at the surrounding. Forest ng neighbor. Hindi. Ang neighbor po doon ayun, doon sa aking likod. Kaya pero alam mo naman yun tayo. We are Filipino. Gathering is free. Alam nyo naman, gathering. So, ito po ang ating gagamitin sa ating Christmas decoration. Ito pa, meron pa dito. So good, kabayan. So good, kabayan. Ito, alam niyo ito mahal ito. Bibilihin. Bakit? Meron naman dito ito isa malaki. Madami. Ayan. Nako, hindi ko mapit si pare ko Yun. Talon si pare ko Tama na kaya ito. Maganda din ito. Maganda pa. Damihan na natin at naririto rin naman tayo. So, nilagay ko po sa silupin. Ito, makita ko nyo. Puno na yung aking silupin. Ito. So, yan. Para tayong nangampay. Alam nyo nangampay? Ito nangampay. Nangumpay yung pakain sa kambing. So, tayo na at baka tayo mahuli ng hapon. So, ito, maganda po ito. Maganda itong ito, panlagay sa decoration. Kuhanin natin din yan. Hanggang dun, So, let's cut this one. So, let's start the Christmas decoration. Yan, pati receipt nakalagay sa akin sa old plastic. So, this is what we will use. That we kailangan. So, let's get rock and roll. And start the journey. As usual, alam mo yung jacket ko, naka-yellow pa. Alam nyo ito pang garden ko. Pang garden jacket. So, what I will do today, this one, ito po, ginawa ko po. I made this last year. With the dry handreja, and dry leaves from my flowers. And this is from last year. It's still nice, but it's time to make this new. So, alisin natin ito. So, we will take this out. Maturiri na naman, pero it's fun. Really fun to do this. Don't you think so? It's my day off. You know, pagka day off po ako, syempre, I have time to do this. So, nag-snow po. As you can see, the snow. It's been snowing in what in last week. Last week it's been snowing, but it's the left. Yan ang tira. So now I will just take this out. When you say to me, never go away. Can you want me to sing while I'm doing my thing, or just say magtigil ka, umuwi ka at tumulog, magbalot ng kumot. So everything I almost forgot, but maybe I ask you how you are. But anyway, I will ask again. How are you guys? I hope you are fine. And while watching my video, it's thinking of your happiness. No, I'm joking. Just joking. Yeah, anyway, I hope you are in a good place today, and away from sickness, and away from the bad happen to the world, and just be who you are. Ika nga. Alam mo naman nag-nosebleed pa. This one. Oh, this one. This is my I bought it for maybe 5 years now, and it's still I'm using this with the crayons. We call that crayons. Oh, sorry, crayons in English. I don't know if it's crayons also, but sometimes I can't. So I have to Google it. I have to search again. Oh, sorry. But anyway, let's start. No, wala ng pulong. So look, this one. And we have little dito, mga ganito. So lang siya, ganito. Tapos anuhin natin itong ganito. Uy. Here we go again. And the sun dyan. Hindi ko ito kita. Minsan dahil ang aking eyes para kung yung owl. Anong tawag? Hindi man owl. Para akong pugo. Alam niyo naman. Pagka sa 50s na. Uy, yan, diba? Hindi ko maaninaw yun. Talaga man, matanda na. Napipil din niyo yun? Pag kayo matanda na? Bakit hindi ko makita ang ay sus Mariusep. Dapat palang binili. Sorry po. Naggalit ulit. Ay! Sorry. Because this one, napakaliit. Dapat pala ko may sunglasses kanina. May eyeglasses. Sus. Ayan. Nawala. Ano yun? Nasaan? Ay, tika lang. Ako yata yung niloloko nitong si pare Alasin na natin. So, here we go. Naabutin tayo ng gira. I can see, ako'y nabulag. Nawala ang aking pagkakamahal sa hindi ko makita ang aking gagawin dahil walang salamin sigado rin naman ay anong nangyari. Same procedure na lang. Paano ibot-ibot? Palikot-likot. So, mga ganyan lang siya. Ako ay may lubo. Lumipad sa langit. Di ko na nakita dahil malabo ang mata. Kaya sabi ko sa lola ko, bumili na ng turon at bibingka sa kalye dahil masarap pa iyon. Ako ay nagtanim. Napapunta na sa pagtatanim. Teka mo, baka nakabuka ka din eh. Kita ang kuwan. Kita ang maligno. Alam niyo maligno. So, look. It's really nice. Nagkuha na ng corona. Pero, yun. Teka, napasa na. Anuhin pa natin yan ng ano. I will put some more leaves because this is, parang siyang, tin. So, it's getting there. Crans. We call that crans. And we just put some more. Yan. It's good enough. So, it's, do you see? Can you see? Good. Maybe good. That's it. Getting last sa ating pagmamahal. Continue tayo sa paggaganito. Really fun. Fun pag kayo talagang may may patient. Look. Ganda siya. Round siya. So, if you are not satisfied, so just fill doon. Lagay-lagay ng mga katulad dito. So, make some more like this to cover it, or if you are not satisfied, look, this one, it's gonna be a halo. So, that's it enough. What do you think, guys? Is it really cool? Put this one. Maybe patatlo. This one is really, yeah, it's getting. We put it one here, one here, and one doon. What do you think? Yeah? So, I can put this one in the middle. I think this one. Like that. And we put this in the center. It looks, I think it's enough in that one. Don't you think so? Kaya ilagay natin dito yon sa mga ano-ano. So, that's it. Yan. Tapos parang patapos na tayo. What do you think, guys? Do you think this is, we call that in Swedish, dogar? Dogar eh. Yan. Look at this, my Christmas. This is the simple Christmas. Christmas in the city. This is my simple Christmas krans. So that I have to search again. It's also krans in English. Yung pong bilog sa atin, sa Pilipinas bilog. Red, pink, and green. What do you think? Nice. So yeah, hi. This is my Christmas decoration for today. And thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bula!